everyone. So this is part 2 of Topia. This time we're gonna be cooking. So that is fun. I'm becoming a chef. I don't know how to cook in real life, but yeah, I'm a good cook in this game. So hope y'all will love my food. Ooh, rainbow. This is my cat Mira, and this is my cat Bernie. I just got them today. Let's walk into my lovely kitchen. I already gathered materials beforehand, but normally you'd either go to Massimo or find them for materials in bushes or trees. Let's start off with raspberry jam. Raspberry jam you make the most out of, I think. Can't burn the raspberry jam. No, that would be horrible. Yay! Ooh, it looks tastier. So, we cooked that. What's next? We don't have enough tomatoes. That sucks. Okay, let's do some blueberry jam. Don't let it burn. I almost let it burn. And we finished the blueberry jam. Apple jam. I hate apples. I despise apples with every bone in my body. That went to yellow. Oh, that could have been bad. Let's do some mandarin jam. Love that. Where's the strawberry jam? That's my question. I love strawberry jam. Where's the grape jam? The jelly. No, jam and jelly are two different things. Oh my god. Alright, I could either do... Let's do a smoked fish bagel. I think I need to catch another fish for a smoked fish bagel. For fish and chips, because that takes... How many fish do I have? Yeah, I only have 3, so we're deciding between fish and chips or smoked bagel. We're gonna do the smoked bagel. Oh shit. That popped up really quickly. Cooking professional right here. Let's make some coffee. I'm not a coffee person. I'm more of a monster person, but we all have our preferences. Why are we cooking coffee on a stove? Who knows? I don't make coffee. Normally it's in a pot, I think. Takes a long time to make. It's coffee, for God's sakes. Yay! First time making coffee. Make some cheesecake. Don't hate me, but I'm not a big fan of cheesecake. That was very quick. Hey! Did I cook everything that I can cook? We could do some mixed jam. That's all. Mixed jam should not be that. We're gonna put some tomatoes, mandarin, and a raspberry. This is mixed jam. Now that we are done cooking, I will show you what to do with your food after you're done cooking it. First, I just need to eat a little bits of it. Munch, munch. Alrighty. So, we're going to go to... So you could either keep it to eat, or you could sell it. I prefer to sell it. We go to Albert Jr. Oh, we got some coins right here. Coolio, that wasn't a lot, but it's okay. Anything is better than nothing. He's not too far. What an icon in his tracksuit. Bam. Almost 3,000. And that is what I do for cooking. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe.